Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a simple database right here on your computer. Somebody maybe wonder, what is this database thing? I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it on the computer. You can just right click right here, go down to new. If you notice right here, Microsoft Access Database, right there. You can also come right here in the search, type here to search, right? And when you click, you see this particular section come right here. So you're going to write data. Going to type in those data. This right there. Right. Gonna type in database and there you go. You click and that's it. Right. Otherwise you can come right here. The search menu. You can come right here. You can actually scroll down if it's a wheel mouse you're using. You can actually scroll down. If you notice, scroll this is a Microsoft Office. You're going to click right here. Now when you click right here, you notice this is a visit. You can also click on that. Alright, so I'm going to create a index. If right click, come over here, and then we're going to come right here. We're going to click on it. Definitely. So you notice we create it now. We're going to right click on it. We're going to open it. So when you open it, you're going to see different template inside of it. Right? If you notice right here, what you have a brand new database right here. You notice right here, click enable content. So this itself is our database right here. We don't create anything yet. So we'll see you in the next video on how to create that.